In this video, we are going to show you our application system demo and how our system works. Hi, I am Leslie A. Tinto, the project leader of Group 8 from BSIS 4A. The title of our system is Tecumseh Fortune Town BSIS Student Evaluation and Advising System. So let's start to the objectives of our system. First is to systematically generate students' evaluation reports. Second is to allow students to open and view their own records. Third is to provide academic advising. Fourth is to enhance the evaluation and advising system. The last one is to secure and maintain the students' records. Next is the scope of our system. It focuses on evaluating subjects and academic advising of BSIS students during enrollment process in each semester. And now to the limitation of our system. It is exclusive only to the BSIS chairperson and students of Carlos Salado Memorial State College, Fortune Town Campus.
Good day everyone, I am the programmer of Group 8 and I am here to discuss or to demo the server side of our system, which is the Tecumseh Fortune Town BSIS Student Evaluation and Advising System. So before that, we will go to this link provided above and log in as an admin. So as we log in, this is what our chairperson or admin will see. On our dashboard, we have here the total of students being registered into the system, the forms being uploaded, the request for evaluation of each student, and those students that are being evaluated already. On the pending evaluation, all the requests of student for evaluation will appear here. So for the data entry, we have here are the subject will receive the uploaded forms, the student records, student grades, and student requests. So first we'll go to the subject. So here, I will show you how to add the subjects based on our prospectus. So as we click this button, this form will appear and then we'll fill out all the needed information for each subject. We'll input the subject code, the title or the subject name, the subject unit, the R's, and we'll choose if this subject is for the first semester or the second semester. We will also choose on what year the subject would be taken. Then save the changes. So in this entry, we are going to assign or set those subjects that is needed to be taken after another subject based on our prospectus. So in order to do that, we will click this button right here and this form will pop up. So we are going to assign those subjects that is for under subject and as well as for the prerequisite subject. So our example here is a program logic formulation for the under subject, and for the prerequisite subject is the IS computer programming one, and then save the changes. So in our uploaded forms, as you can see, there is no data available in our table since we haven't uploaded a single file into the system. So this is what it looks like after we uploaded some file into our system. And as you can see, we have here in our settings is the delete data. If you wanted to delete the data or the file that we uploaded, there will be an error trapping that will pop up into our system for you to decide whether you wanted to delete or to continue the deletion of the data or not. Next is the student record. the student request, all the requests for evaluation of each student will appear here.
Good day. I am Quinan E. Garingalo, the documenter of our group, and I am going to show and discuss how the client side of our system works. So our client users are the students of CHMSC Fortune Town Campus, exclusively for BSIS students only. So to begin with, students has to open the system's link provided and log in as a student. Once the login is successful, the student dashboard will appear and it will look like this. On the upper left side, there is a main menu. For records, my records, grade history, advising history, and prospectus. For grade history, there is a semester and a school year. For advising history, there is a subject code, subject name, unit, semester, and year. And for prospectus, there is the code, subject name, units, grades, semester, year, and remarks. On the upper right, you will see the profile icon. Students can upload their image for profile picture if they want to, and they can also change their password. But take note, every semester, all passwords will automatically reset to its original password that the admin provided. Now let's go to My Records. Under it are the grades history and the advising history. If you will click the grades history, this is what will appear. So there's a semester, school year, and under the grades history, there's a subject code, subject name, grades, and remarks. As you can see, there's a failed remarks here and it is a color red, which is the color indicator for failed subjects, and the color green for passed remarks. In this way, it would be easy for students to identify which one they failed and which one they passed. Now, if it is time for evaluation, the students will just click the Request Evaluation button. After the students click the button, it will automatically notify the admin. Students can only request for evaluation once, because once they click the button again, they will see the pop-up notification indicating that the request evaluation is already submitted. Meaning, no matter how many times they click the request button, only the first request will notify the admin. Now, if the admin already evaluated the students, they will be notified. Not only they will be notified in the respective dashboard under the advising history, but they will also be notified through their Gmail account. Now, if you are already evaluated, you can see the result in the advising history. So you have 5 subjects for first semester, and you can also check or see your evaluation result through your Gmail account, which can also be printed. If you want to, you can just press the print button in here. So if the students wants to print the records such as their evaluation results, prospectus, grades, and curriculum, they just have to click the button print, and this is what will appear on their screen. So it's you just press the print and save it. So that's how the client side of our system works.